You see the promise everywhere. Get ripped fast. An easy transformation in just a few weeks. But the path littered with quick fixes often leads nowhere. The real secret isn't about finding an easy way out, it's about finding this smart way in. A transformation that lasts is built on a foundation, not a gimmick. And that foundation starts with movement. Forget spending hours on a treadmill. Think intensity. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is your most powerful tool. Short, all-out bursts of effort followed by brief rest. This approach is brutally efficient, creating an afterburn effect that melts fat for hours after your workout is done. And unlike endless cardio that can eat away at muscle, HIIT helps preserve it. Combine this with the classics: squats, push-ups, deadlifts. These compound movements are the bedrock of strength, engaging multiple muscle groups at once, forcing your body to adapt and grow. But all the training in the world is wasted if your nutrition is working against you. You can't out-train a bad diet.
This is where most transformations fail. The goal isn't just fat loss. It's fat loss while keeping the muscle you've earned. That means protein is non-negotiable. Aim for around 1.5 grams per kilogram of your body weight, spread throughout the day. This feeds your muscles, helping them repair and rebuild after those intense workouts. And be wary of extreme diets. A ketogenic approach might promise rapid results, but it comes with risks, from nutrient deficiencies to potential strain on your heart and kidneys. Carbs are not the enemy. They're the fuel for your performance. The key isn't elimination, it's balance. Now for the most overlooked yet most critical piece of the puzzle: recovery. You don't build muscle in the gym. You build it when you rest, specifically when you sleep. This is when your body gets to work. During deep sleep, your system releases a surge of growth hormone, the key ingredient for repairing the micro tears in your muscles and making them stronger. Skimping on sleep is like trying to build a house during an earthquake. It raises your stress hormone cortisol, which can actively break down muscle tissue. You are literally undoing your hard work.
7 to 8 hours of quality sleep isn't a luxury. It is a core component of your training. Finally, you have to avoid the common traps. Don't get lost doing endless crunches while ignoring your diet. Don't fall for the idea that a cabinet full of supplements can replace whole foods. And above all, prioritize proper form over lifting heavy. An injury will set you back months, killing all momentum. It's about consistency, not perfection. Track your progress, not just with the scale, but with photos, with how your clothes fit, with how much stronger you feel. That's the real feedback loop. The promise of getting ripped easily is a mirage, but the path to a powerful, sustainable transformation is real. It's a system you build for yourself, brick by brick, through smart training, deliberate nutrition, and disciplined recovery. That's not easy, but it works. And the person you become in the process is the real prize.